Hello guys, this is Gaurav Vashisht from myblogging.hub.com, and today I want to show you that how you can install WordPress manually. So go to wordpress.org, downloads, and click on download, and download WordPress 4.9.8, and here it is installed. Now go to file manager, as I have already installed WordPress in my root folder, so I am installing WordPress in a subdirectory. I'm creating a new folder, testing. It is already there, so XYZ, create new folder, open this, click on upload, a new window will appear, and you have to wait until it has been downloaded. Until then we can make database, so click on MySQL database wizard, and I am choosing XYZ1. Click on next step, and I am typing password QWERTYW YUIOP, and then again QWERTYUIOP, means all the first row, and it is saying the password is strong. So you have to, if you have to install WordPress, then you have to create a database user also. So I am also naming it is XYZ1, and click on create user, and select on all privileges, otherwise it will not install. Next step, and I think our WordPress has been installed. So here in downloaded it. Now you have to drag WordPress, and wait a minute. Okay, we can show in folder, and it's not opening, so we can choose selected files, downloads, WordPress 4.9.8 .zip, open, and it's 100% complete. And go to back in file manager. Now you have to extract, right click and extract to XYZ, yes, and click close, open WordPress and select all, and then you have to move to your root XYZ folder, move files up one level, and this is all that you have to do. Then you have to go my blogging hub slash xyz slash wp slash admin slash install .php and click enter. Sorry. and then this new window will appear. Click on continue. Yes, database name, let's go, because you already set up name. Now go to return home, and click on Mysql databases. And here, where is our test? I guess. Okay, no problem, we can create another one as xyz1 create database. Oh, it's already exist, so why it is not showing, I don't know. Wait a minute, we have to. Oh, which is on the another file. Oh, here it is, and here it is our username. So just copy this and paste in database name, username, same username, password, that QWERTYUIOP, and here database host is our local host, and you can choose anyone which your hosting provider is providing you, and table prefix WP/ and click on submit, and click on all the right and Sparky, and you have made it. And so run the installation. And here is site title, like I'm typing anything. Username, you have to make admin, and password QWERTYUIOP, admin @myblogging.hub.com, and click on install WordPress. And now the WordPress is installing, and yippee, you have installed WordPress manually in less than 5 minutes. And then type in password QWERTYUIOP and login. And here is your WordPress installed manually. So thanks for watching, and keep liking and keep subscribing. If you need my help, then you can call me, or you can contact me at gv7938@gmail.com. Thanks again.